Hello 12th standard. Meeting again for integration problem. Welcome to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. Today's integration problem looks complicated but is simple because of one formula from inverse trigonometric functions. Let's see straight away. Let's go to the problem. It is from miscellaneous exercise question 8. ये पूछा है 0 to pi sin inverse x plus cos inverse x ब्रैकेट क्यूब sin क्यूब x dx, इसका इंटीग्रल लेना है. लुक्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. sin inverse x plus cos inverse x ब्रैकेट क्यूब का क्या करने का है? जस्ट ऑब्जर्व द की स्टेप्स. sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Simple inverse trigonometric formula which we have learnt. It is like sin squared x plus cos squared x equal to 1. Similarly, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. तो ये ब्रैकेट का तो काम हो गया. What remains is sin cube x. Now for sin cube x, the hint is you have to split up into sin squared x into sin x. ये q I'll explain along the way. So let's start. This is the given integral as mentioned. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 ब्रैकेट क्यूब sin cube x. अभी sin cube x को sin squared x into sin x क्यों किया? Because sin x is always separated out from sin cube x in most sums. Why? Because when we get sin squared x here, I can write sin squared x as 1 minus cos squared x. So why have I done this? Sin squared x 1 minus cos squared x क्यों किया है? Because now I can make the substitution cos x equal to t. Because derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx, which is present over here. Sin x dx is present. Minus sin adjust हो जाएगा. So वापस देखो. यहाँ पे pi by 2 ब्रैकेट क्यूब sin cube x में से separate out 1 sin x. What remains is sin squared x. For sin squared x write 1 minus cos squared x. ये sin x रहने दो, because of which we can make the substitution, put cos x equal to t. After putting cos x equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of t dt by dx. As usual, cross multiply. Minus sin x dx, तो starting में क्या आएगा? Minus sin x dx equal to dt. Like this you will get. Now take this minus sign on the other side. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Because over here we want sin x dx. So sin x dx के लिए minus dt. Clear? और cos x के लिए t. Now the thing is pi cube upon 8 constant को बाहर निकाले. Okay. As usual, our important work to find the new upper and lower limits. So how to find the new upper limit? I have told you the method. Consider the original substitution. अपना original substitution किधर है? Put cos x equal to t. That is our main equation to find the new upper and lower limit. Put x equal to pi. That is here. Original upper limit. So you get cos pi equal to t. यहाँ पे cos pi equal to t. So cos of 180, pi means 180 is minus 1. So you get t equal to minus 1. Similarly, for new lower limit, original lower limit क्या है? 0. Put x equal to 0. You get cos 0 equal to t. Same equation में put x equal to 0, you get cos 0 equal to t. Cos 0 is 1. So new lower limit becomes 1. Okay, so after doing this, substitute in the main integral. अभी limits बदल गए. 0 to pi have been changed to 1 to minus 1. New lower limit is 1 and minus 1. पाई क्यूब अपॉन 8 इज आउटसाइड. सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है अपना? cos x is t, so 1 minus t squared. Sin x dx is minus dt. That is important. Sin x dx is minus dt. Okay? तो अभी माइनस साइन का क्या करना है? Either you can take it outside or simple way, I will combine this minus sign with this bracket. So when the minus sign is taken inside the bracket, क्या होने वाला है? This will become -1, this will become plus t squared. यानी क्या होने वाला है? Order will change. 1 minus t squared will become t squared minus 1. करके देखो. When the minus sign is taken along with this, this becomes -1, this becomes minus of minus plus t squared. That gives you t squared minus 1, which is simpler to solve rather than keeping minus sign outside. Clear? अब तक clear हो गया सब? Okay, now let us solve the remaining part. You have to solve this integral now and see what answer we get. Shall I solve here? Okay, let's see. I am going to separate out the integral. Integral of t squared minus integral of 1. इसका इंटीग्रल लिया, इसका भी इंटीग्रल लिया, सेपरेट आउट किया. टी स्क्वायर डी टी ऑब्वियसली. नाउ लेट अस यूज द बेसिक फॉर्मूले. टी स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? एक्स स्क्वायर का एक्स क्यूब अपॉन 3, सो टी क्यूब अपॉन 3. बट डोंट फॉरगेट अपर एंड लोअर लिमिट्स. Integral of 1 dt is t. Whatever answer we get, वहां पे upper and lower limit लिखना है. Pi cube upon 8 is outside. Okay? So let us put upper limit minus lower limit. यहाँ पे upper limit minus lower limit. So पहले क्या करते हैं? 1/3 I'll take outside. 1/3 constant बाहर लिया और अंदर क्या आने वाला है? In place of t put upper limit. In place of t put lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit for the same formula. माइनस, यहां पे कुछ बाहर नहीं है. इन प्लेस ऑफ टी पुट अपर लिमिट माइनस अपर लिमिट माइनस इन प्लेस ऑफ टी पुट लोअर लिमिट. जस्ट गो स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स. फॉलोड? -1 bracket cube, -1 raised to odd number remains -1. -1 into -1 into -1. 1 cube is 1. माइनस, यहां पे भी -1 -1. कितने -1 आ गए ना, देखेंगे. So pi cube upon 8 -1 into -1 is -2. Okay, so 1/3 into -2. ये हो गया, ब्रैकेट में लेंगे. -1 is again -2. समझ में है? Nothing complicated if you go slowly, step by step. Upper limit minus lower limit is important. I cube upon 8. One into -2/3. Minus of minus plus 2. हो रहा है, फिनिशिंग नाउ. ओके, एलसीएम. थ्री इज द एलसीएम. -2 प्लस 3 into 2 करना है. 3 into 2 is 6. Six minus 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. फाइनल आंसर. अभी यहां पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. नो एलसीएम. 2 into 3 is 6. Nice problem. Enjoyed? Try it again, because upper limit minus lower limit you should do it correctly, perfectly. Try करो. 12-13 minutes while explaining, you will be able to solve it much faster. Okay? Right? So that's all for today. Important sum. Try it. Be perfect. Be happy. Bye.